New York City brings a positive community news story during the holy month of Ramadan at Masjid Baitul Karam during Friday Jummah prayers. New York Police Department Commanding Officer Deputy Inspector Awais Khan Zada, Deputy Inspector Waheed Akhtar, Deputy Chief of Community Affairs Richie Taylor, and community leader Raja Azad visited the mosque. They announced that during Ramadan, including Jummah prayers and Taraweeh prayers, no traffic tickets will be issued for double parking during prayer times. However, people were advised not to block fire hydrants or driveways. The Imam of Masjid Baitul Karam, Sayyid Mir Hussain Shah, presented the guests with bouquet of flowers and thanked them for their visit and support. All worshippers present in the mosque expressed happiness over this announcement. Reporting from New York City, Chaudhry Kaisar Mustafa, and you are watching Pakistani American News Channel.
So, majority of people know me. Who doesn't know me? I'm Deputy Inspector Waheed Akhtar. I'm the President of NYPD Muslim Officer Society and the Commanding Officer of Transit District 23, which is Far Rockaway, Queens. First and foremost, thank you so much, Shah Saab, his honorable brother, Elder, that he brought us here to basically share our thoughts and at the same time to just tell you all that what we can offer and why we are here. The main purpose is the NYPD or the Muslim Officer Society. We are here to protect and serve. And Muslim officers or Muslim community deserve exactly the same as any other community deserve in New York City. So all Muslim congregants, they have a right to practice their faith freely. They can come to a mosque and go back to their home safely. And they can observe the month of Ramadan and collect all the blessings. If anybody has any concerns, Muslim Officer Society is here. We are here to help. And of course, NYPD is here, the police department is here, and we're here to assist in any shape or form, whatever we can. Now, we have a Deputy Chief Richard Taylor here. He's a community's friend. He almost attends all the masjids. He visits and offers the assistance and lends the hand that makes the community feel safer and better. Now, I request Deputy Chief Taylor to just share your thoughts and tell everybody what the community affairs and overall NYPD can do for the community and been doing to make them comfortable, safe, and practice their faith freely. Chief Taylor.
Assalamu alaikum. I know I was here when the masjid just opened, and Imam Saeed is a great friend, a great leader. We're very lucky to have his leadership, his warm heart. You know, everyone comes not because you feel you have to, but because you want to. And I know everyone's day is busy, but you still look forward, like I look forward to coming here, because the leadership of Imam Saeed, it's a love that's really, you can't find it often. You can't find it on the level. So thank you, Imam, for the warm welcome and the friendship. I always feel more happy when I'm with the Imam, and I know everyone here feels the same way. Thank you. Thank you, of course, Raja, your leadership, your invitation around the whole city. Thank you so much. Thank you, Raja. Inspector Kazada, I know we actually just had a mosque just a couple of weeks ago as well. The holy month of Ramadan, it's a time for self-reflection, and not just for those of the Muslim faith, but of all faiths. So we could look at a person who's fasting for 30 days, and it's not just fasting of food, but it's also of basic water. It's a sacrifice, the time to be reflective of the blessings that we have. A lot of times, we don't see the good we have, whether it's family, whether it's friends coming together. You know, we have basic food, and we sometimes take it for granted, myself also. Just like the beautifulness of breathing. A lot of times when a person, God forbid, can't breathe, they appreciate the miracle of breathing. So too, in a fast of 30 days, we appreciate more food. And we should apply that also. We appreciate family, appreciate a job, appreciate the imam, appreciate we have a beautiful mosque to come into. So for the police department, on behalf of the police commissioner, on behalf of all the police officers, it's an honor to come and join to say Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. We should meet on great occasions. And God bless America and Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you.
I'm privileged to introduce my brother, who's almost, we look alike. A lot of people get confused that we are twin. We are brothers in Islam. We are united by faith. He is the commanding officer of Traffic Enforcement Division, who's in charge of mostly parking stuff. So, when he's doing such a great job, he's a fantastic individual. Not only he's a great person, he is the trustee of NYPD Muslim Officer Society. So without any further ado, Deputy Inspector Awais Khanzada.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It's an honor to be here. Thank you for Raja Sahab for inviting me. Thank you, Imam. Thank you, Waifa. Thank you, Chief, for having me here. Alright, so I'm the CEO of Traffic Enforcement District. I took over this position in April last year. So this is my directive to all of my traffic agents that all of the religious places of worship, whether it's a masjid, synagogue, church, whenever there's a religious event going on inside, they should practice discretion, right? They should do relaxed enforcement. They shouldn't be tagging those places for summonses or tolls or anything like that. So if you are having an event here, 5 daily prayers or Tarawih or anything like that, no one should be giving you tickets. If somebody is giving you tickets, it should be brought to my attention. You can reach out to Imam or you can reach out to Raja Sahab and they will bring it to my attention and I'll take care of that.
Thank you very much.
It goes for all the mosques in all 5 boroughs. Alright, and this is my directive to all of my traffic agents. That doesn't mean that we should be abusing this privilege. If you're here for salat, if you're here for prayer, as soon as the prayer is done, you should go out and leave or move your car. You shouldn't be abusing this privilege to go out shopping or to hang out with friends and anything like that. Alright, so don't abuse this privilege and make sure there's a lane of traffic open in both directions. And please do not park on the hydrants and do not park on the bus stops. Those two you will not be shown any discretion. Okay, whatever I said, I'm going to translate it in Urdu also. मेरा नाम अवैस खानज़ादा है. मैं ट्रैफिक इन्फोर्समेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट का कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हूँ. इस पोजीशन पे मैं पिछले साल अप्रैल में तैनात हुआ था. तो सारे ट्रैफिक एजेंट जितने भी हैं इस शहर के अंदर वो सब मेरे लिए काम करते हैं. मैंने उन सबको हिदायत की है कि जब भी कोई इबादत का, चाहे वो मस्जिद हो या कलीसा हो या गिरजाघर हो, वहाँ पे कोई भी इबादत हो रही हो, उस वक्त वो किसी को टिकट ना दें. तो इस वक्त जब मस्जिद में आप लोग 5 वक्त की नमाज पढ़ रहे हो या तरावीह पढ़ रहे हो, रोज़ा इफ्तार कर रहे हो, उस वक्त किसी को भी आपको टिकट नहीं देना चाहिए. अगर कोई आप लोगों को टिकट दे तो आप फ़ौरन इमाम साहब को बताएं या राजा साहब को बताएं और ये लोग मुझे कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे और फिर हम देखेंगे कि हमें क्या करना है. तो प्लीज़ अगर इस चीज़ को आप बिल्कुल भी इसका नाजायज़ फ़ायदा ना उठाएं. अगर आप नमाज़ पढ़ने के लिए आ रहे हैं तो नमाज़ पढ़ने के फ़ौरन बाद बाहर जाके अपनी गाड़ी को मूव कर दें. लोगों के साथ गप्पे हाँकने के लिए या कहीं रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाना खाने के लिए या शॉपिंग करने के लिए इस प्रिविलेज को आप जो है उसका नाजायज़ फ़ायदा ना उठाएं. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया राजा साहब का और इमाम साहब का, वहीद अख्तर भाई का और चीफ का मुझे यहाँ पे इनवाइट करने के लिए, ताकि मैं कम्युनिटी से मिल सकूँ और अपने आप को मुतारिफ करवा सकूँ और अपनी पॉलिसी को आपके सामने वजाहत कर सकें. थैंक यू.
सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि अवैस खानज़ादा भाई ने जो बातें की हैं, चीफ टेलर ने जो कहा है, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि हमारे नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने जो हमें तालीमात दी हैं वो ये है कि आप अच्छे हमसाए बने. जितने भी लोग नमाज़ पढ़ने के लिए आते हैं, आप किसी के लिए अगर मुश्किल पैदा कर रहे हैं तो वो आपके अमाल में से जो है ना वो आपको कितना मिलेगा ये अल्लाह बेहतर जानता है. मैं तो ये कि दूसरों का जो हक अदा करने की कोशिश करें जो उनका हक आपके ऊपर है. اور جو بھی آپ کے پاس جو آپ کو ریلیکسیشن ملی ہوئی ہے, جو اویس خان زادہ بھائی نے کہا ہے آپ کو, اٹ از اے بگ پریولیج that when you come to masjid and you have a short period of time, when you're taking a small break from your work and you have to come and you perform your prayers, you don't have to look for parking. At the same time, what we should be considerate to our neighbors, کہ کوئی بندہ اگر اس نے کی جا پہ جانا ہے, اگر کوئی بندہ آپ خود سوچیں کہ اگر آپ کی مطلب بہن بھائی, آپ کے والدہ, آپ کی کوئی رشتہ دار ہیں جو بیمار ہے, اس نے گاڑی نکالنی ہے اور ان کو وہاں پہ آدھا گھنٹہ پونا گھنٹہ ویٹ کرنا پڑ رہا ہے, تو how would they feel? So extend the same courtesy to other people and just be fair to each other. کہ یہ نہ ہو کہ مطلب اچھے مسائل ہوں گے تو پھر لوگ باتیں بھی نہیں کریں گے. پہلی بات. دوسری بات یہ ہے کہ I want to take opportunity to just speak to everyone. NYPD is hiring police officers. It's a great profession. آپ اب باہر بیٹھ کے تو جتنی مرضی باتیں کریں تبدیلی نہیں آ سکتی جب تک آپ اس تبدیلی کا حصہ نہیں بنیں. آج سے 20-21 سال پہلے صرف پولیس ڈپارٹمنٹ میں میرا نہیں خیال کہ زیادہ 50 لوگ مسلمان ہوں گے. اس وقت الحمدللہ ہمارے 3,500 سے زیادہ مسلمان جو مختلف ممالک کے لوگ کام کر رہے ہیں NYPD میں. So it's mashallah a good number, but we still need a lot of more people to join NYPD so we can assist each other. Let's bring the change within instead of just expecting it's going to come from outside. So Shah, thank you so much. Such an honor to invite us, to give us the opportunity to come over here and speak to our congregants, our brothers and sisters. And from my side, from the NYPD, from Muslim Society, everybody has a very, very healthy and blessed Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
This is for you with the love. Because you are a smiling officer, that all lovers are smiling. Inspector Sahib ne do it.
No, I'll give it to Raja Sahib. No, Jazakallah, you know what? These flowers from me to Raja Sahib, bringing everybody in. Please, Raja, please. No, thanks, sir.
Okay.
Jazakallah.
Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you.